Welcome guys, so today I want to show you how you can change the volume level of any media by using the Huawei FreeBuds Pro to gesture. So at first you have to be sure that in the Huawei AI Live application you got this gesture setup. So let's go like that, and as you can see we can find this feature right here and the swipe, and in this place we can swipe up or down to volume up and down. Basically, to adjust the volume we have to select this option. So right now, take a look. For sure I have to cover the sensor like that, and let me try to use this adjustment. It's not working right here, so I can try, for example, from this side. Yeah, right now it works. So we have to make it from this. Take a look on this volume panel. It works like that. And the volume we can decrease very easy. And if you're curious if it works for the second one, we can check it. Don't worry. So yeah, as you can see, it only works on the right one, but it looks like it's supposed to work on the both. So probably that's the problem with the sensor. So I'm gonna put them to the ear. The left one, this one I already use. Yeah, and on the left one it's also working. So this method works on the both earbuds, but of course, like on this tutorial, when I have to show you, it's not also always working because the sensor are sometimes not covered with my fingers, because they are like they slipping out of my hands. So yeah, but yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.